Did you know over 11,000 people have found financial freedom with us?
Yeah, I know that.
Will you be next?
Yeah, will you be next?
Will you be
Will
next?
you be next? Yeah, why not? Like, why not you? Because it sucks being poor. I've been poor and I've made millions. You know what I like better?
What?
Making
Millions.
millions. Yeah, duh. So what we'd like you to do is join a community of 26,000 entrepreneurs just like you who may not have known how to do it. TikTok, Facebook, not had a Facebook account. They may not have YouTube, but they learn exactly how to do it step by step, day by day. And the testimonials are mind blowing, right? Isn't there like 11,000 of them?
Yeah, 11,000 testimonials. Get your free blueprint at wealthyatlast.com on how to get financial freedom. Start your journey today. It's so easy. Just go to the website, put in your email, and you'll get the blueprint right away.
Yeah, and it's going to tell you how to get six figures in 6 months. So that's cool. Meanwhile, as always, we have an affirmation for you.
Affirmation time.
Yay! I am a magnet for financial success. Think about that. I am a magnet for financial success. I am a magnet for financial success.
You deserve it.
Yeah, you are. You're worthy.
And second affirmation, abundance is my birthright. I claim it now. Yeah, I claim
abundance.
it.
I claim it.
It's my birthright.
It's my
And I claim
birthright.
it right now.
It's their birthright. It's your
Yes.
birthright. So go ahead and claim it at wealthyatlast.com. Get your free blueprint and be part of our group. We're fun. Why not? Bye.